Crypto and digital currency used to be dominant of expert. To mine any cryptocurrency, you need to know what exactly you are doing and have a computers that will run consistently and consumes huge amount of electricity. For that, B is a solution. Hey fam, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are talking about what exactly is the B network. B network is a cryptocurrency or a token that does not require any supercomputer to mine. Instead, you can use your phone to mine B coins. And digital currency become more popular than ever. It has a huge potential. Over 10 million people are currently mining B coins on their mobile devices. But if you are wondering that B network is a legit, you are not alone. Many of people are debating whether it is just a fancy get rich quick idea, nothing more than scam. Okay, in this video we are taking a close look at seeing what if anything worth taking a chance. I have been mined B on my phone for a few months, so I will do my best to give an honest review, not just on the research but on the personal experience. Few months ago I have found a very similar mobile mined cryptocurrency called Pi Network. If you haven't heard of it, check out this video. And B seems to be a clone of it, and so it is a copycat of Pi Network. In the case of Pi Network, there are 3 individuals behind it, all Stanford University graduates. But in the case of B Network, they only told that B Network core team is composed of top tier experts with specialists in internet, blockchain technology, mathematics and cryptography expert, and also community volunteers. Yes, it sounds impressive, but it would be lot more impressive if someone was actually putting their name to it. How can we sure it is supported by a trusted team? Like in the Pi Network, B Network also has a white paper setting out of information on the network and its development plans. Pi provided dozens of pages of detailed information, but the B network provides short 3 pages just to explain how currency got its name and then going closer about how actually Bs work. There is a very little information available and there are some significant gaps in the explanation of how this will be ever become a true currency and be a worth something in the future. Here they advertise it as an exciting game experience. That's okay, if I want I do play PUBG or something. What I want to feel that the app has a worth that one day my B tokens will be value something. B network is a scam, so it is difficult for me to judge. According to the developers, it is a genuine project. The B network raised the questions since it is in the control security, whereas the Pi network is open about who founded it. You can contact them with the questions and number of Pi network employees will be found on the LinkedIn. If they not mention who operating B, it does not mean it is a scam. The same goes for Bitcoin also. We don't know who operating Bitcoin too. Given many reasons to be careful, there are some good reasons to give it a try. Finally, the app is free and does not need to use data or battery to mine B tokens. The reviews on the Google Play and the Apple stores are mostly positive, which is usually a good sign, and also clear that the platform is growing faster in terms of the number of users. The platform is quickly reaching towards 1 billion users, which is a quite impressive for something that is primarily promoted by publicity. It would be shame if does not turned into something worth with all the support behind it. What is the value of B network token? B cryptocurrency tokens are not worth it anything right now. You can earn it now but you can't use it. B is not yet registered according to the unknown team behind the network. Once the network reach 1 billion users and reach third phase, it will be listed in the public trading exchange and hold its value. How to mine B network? It works by logging into the app every day and hitting the little B icon in the middle of the screen. After you click the button, the cryptocurrency mine will be begin mine for 24 hours. All you have to do is come back every day and tapping the button to start mining, and it is simple as that. If you are interested in trying B, all you have to do download the app from the Play Store or Apple Store. When you first get into the app, you will need to log in using Facebook or phone number. To join B network, you will need a referral code. Use any code you want to, but make sure the person will be active on the network, as that will improve your earning rate. For that, you can use your friend's one or you can use my code displaying in the screen, also given in the description. You can increase your mining speed by referral. This referral system plays an important factor in the network growth. One thing to be noted about B is that whenever it reaches new milestone, the mining rate will be reduced. So join early, mine fast. In the good olden days, every user earned 1.6 B per hour. The amount was cut after 1 lakh users and then again at 1 million users. They passed 2 million users on January 18, 2021 and 13 million users on January 26, 2021. The number of users reached 4 million on February 18th, indicating that the number of users is rapidly increasing. The next halving at the 100 million users, dropping to 0.1 B per hour. So if you want to earn at the highest possible rate, you need to get your wings on. B is like pie, it is growing at the rate that can't be ignored. It is free and easy to start earning it. For the time being, we are happy to be the part of Honey. Let's just hope for our B coins work pay some honey one day. Leave your thoughts in the comment section. If your comments is just a referral code and does not add anything to the subject, it will be removed. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel.